lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra and here we are back with a new video. Yay! I'm back and I wanted to do a little a foundation routine update, because from the last video I posted for my foundation routine, a lot of my face foundation routine has changed. So I thought it would be good to show you guys how I do it now. The way I have it now, I love it much more, especially the foundation I'm using now. So let's get started. Can you see me? I'm right here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the primer. For primer, I've been using this Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For non-filter mattifying primer. So I've been using this. This is like a sample size one, and yeah, it pretty much keeps me matte for a couple hours. But I only apply this in my T-zone. So here, I need to get a new one. I'm almost out. So my T-zone. Okay, then since I have like a little bit of scarring, like acne scarring, I go in with this e.l.f. color correcting pencil, and I just go over like darker areas that are harder to conceal. And then I just use my finger to blend it a little. Okay, so for my foundation, my current favorite foundation is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So it's this one. And I'm in the color Desert Beige. I've actually enjoyed this foundation. I've been using it for a while now, and it's good at concealing pores. What I do is just grab, whoa, and put it all over my face. And just use a beauty blender. Okay, and then for concealer slash concealer under eye color corrector, I use this Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and my color is medium. Whoa. So I don't like to go too hard with concealer, so I just add a little bit under my eyes, and then sometimes here, and that's it. That's all. And then I just blend. Okay, so after that's done, I kind of bake, I would say, but I set it with the Kat Von D translucent powder. So I use this one, and I just use the same beauty blender, and the first I add under my eyes. So I just set my whole face. And while that's setting, I do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. If you guys wanna see how I do my eyebrows, sorry, if you wanna see how I do my eyebrows, leave a comment down below, but I'm gonna do them for now off camera, and I'll be right back. So my eyebrows are done. All I'm gonna do now is just wipe away all this excessive setting powder. Okay, and then next, I'm gonna bronze out my face. I'm gonna contour it. I'm gonna make it go So for that, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Geek bronzer in 20. So this one's it. So I'm gonna do is grab this brush and I'm gonna go. You see where this line is? This is where you want to go. You want to make your cheeks look like this, like you haven't eaten in days. So I'm gonna go up here, right above where the ear is, like here on top of the cheek, and then just drag it down, not too far down. You want to blend it, make sure to blend it. Okay, and you also want to go here, just right above where your eyes are, here. And you want to go on top of your forehead. Just blend it right. And already you can tell the difference between this side of the face and this side. My face seems more defined, more thinner. And yeah, you can see right here, and right here. So now let's do it to the other side. And after bronzer comes blush. I like to use blush. Sorry, I like to use blush. And for blush, I'm gonna use this blush kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the just says gradient. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna be using a combination of this one and this one, just a little bit, because this blush has a lot of pigment, so I barely even touch my brush on the palette, because if you grab too much, your face is gonna be like pink. So I just go here on the temple of my cheeks and bring it up, blend and bring it up, and blend and bring it up. So let me grab a little bit more. So here, start here, blend, bring it up, blend, bring it up, like so. So you have a little bit of color now, yay! Color, no color, color. And it depends on how intense I want to go. Just grab a little bit more. See? Now do the other side. Okay, so now I got my big brush, and then I just blend a little. And now what I'm gonna do is set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, setting spray. Okay, so I let that like sink in a little bit, you know, just like a lot of powder on my face, and now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter. So it has a little like, so you can grab highlighter a little bit better. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Sephora X Moschino highlighter. I bought this a while ago. I don't think they have it anymore at Sephora, maybe they do, but it's one of my favorites, and I like this one. And yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna go again with the setting spray. So this is my like routine foundation, face, makeup, it's not too hard. After years of like practicing makeup and learning new skills, you like you find your own way of how you like your face makeup to be. You learn little by little. Some people like ask me, oh, how do you do it? How do you know so much? How do you do your makeup? And wow, you look good, and it looks like you know a lot. But like reality, everything I know about makeup is because I've learned it, and it's taking me years. I started liking makeup since I was in in middle school. I remember, I don't know if I don't know if I have a couple pictures, but all I used to wear is like blue eyeshadow and like just blue eyeshadow, and then that was it, I think, and gloss. Then in high school it went to like raccoon style, like black eyeliner, the waterline, and mascara, and that was it. And then slowly it went up to like eyeshadow, and I would just wear eyeshadow with mascara and then black eyeliner and the waterline. And then slowly I didn't like wearing lipstick back then, no foundations, I never did my eyebrows. And then slowly by slowly I started to use foundation, I started to doing my eyebrows, I started wearing lipstick. I don't like wearing gloss, it's not my thing, or satin lipstick. I only have to wear like matte lipstick or liquid lipstick. But yeah, it has slowly over time, every year I learned something new. I learned from other people, I learned from other video YouTubers, their skills, and you just have to practice on yourself. Just even if you don't go out, just wear makeup and try new things, and slowly you'll grow on your own face. You'll become comfortable with your own face, just like I have. So that's it, and please like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.